Hello, good, how do I do this? I keep forgetting how to do this. I wanted to take you guys into my least favorite room in the home, in my house, I think, which would be my kitchen. I have had almost zero creative spark when it comes to what to do with it. I'm gonna throw some pictures up of what it looked like when I moved in versus what it looks like now. Don't mind the Sour Patch Kids and cheese balls that I have sitting on top of my refrigerator. Anyway, it's been a really difficult space to like work with, not been my favorite. So I have been wanting a kitchen island. I've been wanting to like make over this little nook corner thing for a while. It's gone through a couple of stages. I've had this like craft table that I used to have in my office that's been hanging out in here with some chairs that I actually bought from the sister of Julian Smith, if you know that YouTuber. So they were Julian Smith's chairs apparently, which is hilarious to me. It's safe to say these chairs have lived their life and it's time for them to go, and the table needs to be repurposed. I've had a really big struggle with the art to put in here. This whole side is like made out of what was wood paneling. It was really dark brown when I moved in, and then I painted it gray, and the gray looks not like I want it to necessarily. I have finally found my kitchen island that I have been searching for the past 6 months. About to show you guys what I found at Dirt Cheap, and I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Also, ta-da, for those of you who know me, I have had a boat of a car. It's like an old Camry, and this is my new Jeep. I'm so excited. But here are some of the things I got. You know, you can't really see it, but this is my new island. It was originally, I think, like $390 something, and I got it for $160, which I know you might think like, oh, that's not the best deal, and I would agree with you. It's not the best deal. However, I've been searching for this freaking exact island, and I have been seeing numbers of like $400, $500, $600 for something this size with storage like I want it, and yada yada yada. I found some gray stools that I'm gonna spray paint black because I think that'll match the aesthetic a little bit better that I'm going for. And I found these really cool leaf, what are they called? I'll just show you. This will be easier. Okay. These guys, I know they're not like in the best wrapping right now. There are 3 of them and they're huge, and they were $40, and I have been eyeing them at Target, and I've almost purchased them, and they're $100 at Target. I'm very proud of myself. But anyway, just wanted to show you guys the before I start taking everything out, rearranging, getting the island set up, and kind of styling all of that, because I know I mentioned at one point on this channel that I was going to explore multiple things instead of just like, you know, one vein of interest, and it's exactly what I'm doing. So if you are here from watching me do makeup, or if you're here from watching me do my intro video or like cooking or anything like that, promise more content similar to that's probably coming if I enjoyed doing it and want to do it again, which with cooking and makeup is a 100% yes. Also found out I freaking love interior design, so. And I'm probably gonna end up doing fitness stuff because I've gotten really into running. Don't know who I am anymore, but it's fine. That's what this channel is for me to continually figure out who I am, what I like, and not giving myself limits and boundaries. And I would highly suggest doing it because I've had a lot of fun so far. Good morning. Okay, so I made a mistake and I didn't let Ben help me get the kitchen cart out of the car. So what we might be doing is building it outside and then rolling it in, because I don't think I can carry it all the way inside. Going to first fix the space up, get it all cleaned up, move everything out, clean slate, and then we will move on to putting everything together. This looks like it might be slightly more complicated than I thought. Also, it's actually not the card I picked out, but it's better than what I thought I was getting. So I got it at Dirt Cheap, and I I looked up the product number, like the little code that you can just type in online and it should show you the product. This one is like a cabinet, so it's like I get additional cabinet space, which is like, thank you God. That's what I wanted originally anyway. So this is what it looks like right now. So I have my work cut out for me. Guys, I made progress. So excited. Oh, well, I've only made it to step 5, but feels like a lot of progress. It's fine. I don't know if you can see the sweat glistening from my face. We are almost done, kind of. We got the main body constructed. I just have to put the top on next. I'm so excited. Moment of truth. Here we go. Ta-da! It's done! That was exhausting. Now to put it inside. Oh, I'm so excited, oh my gosh. So I'm gonna hang these up there. Oh, it looks so cute! I don't know. I think I need to spray paint the hardware black because the hardware on everything else in that room is black, and I think that will help like tie it in just a little bit better. I'm grabbing a hammer. Don't mind my husband's hunting room that I have had no part of designing. Okay, oh, it already looks so, guys, look. It already looks so much freaking cuter. This drawer is being wonky though, and I need to figure out how to fix that, but other than that, I'm very, very, very happy with it. I think it does a good job of tying everything in from like the wood tones everywhere else, so. Okay, so normally I would do like a test patch on stuff like hardware like this, but I'm not going to because I specifically got spray paint for metal, so fingers crossed. So I had a very different vision whenever I was first trying to lay this out in my head. I think I like this better than what I was originally going for, actually. One side of it needed to be against a wall. I don't know, it looked a little odd. Luckily it's on wheels, so if like I do need it as an actual table, it takes 2 seconds to switch things around. But like for everyday life, I think this is how I want it to be. So let me show you. Ta-da! I love the utilization of the space a heck of a lot more now. I ended up spray painting the hardware. I forgot those 2 little hangers over there, but I'll get to those eventually. I spray painted these. They were gray, and I spray painted them this really pretty same color as I'm spray painted the hardware. Really, really happy with it. Basically just utilizing it as an entryway point instead of an island, but it can still function as an island. So I'm really shocked that I found all of this at one time. If you see something in a video once and it's staged a certain way, you see another video and it's different, that's generally because I move things around all the time. So I just kind of try to get a feel for certain things. Once I feel like it's right, then I'll leave it be. But sometimes that takes a long time, so. But thank you for hanging out with me while I remade my little entryway kitchen island area. It makes me kind of want to hang out in here more. So yay, I'm really, really excited about it. Now I just have to make over the top of my fridge. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for hanging out. See ya.